Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions. My subject Watershed Management, final year first semester R16 regulation. In previous classes, we are already discussed about what is watershed, what are the watershed characteristics, shape of size, shape, and different characteristics we are discussing in unit 1. And hydrological cycle, that is water cycle, will be discussed in unit 1. In that water cycle we are going to discuss about what is precipitation, what is transpiration, what is evapotranspiration, how condensation form, and what is runoff. That characteristics will be discussed in previous classes. In second unit we are discussing about principle of soil erosion and its control measures. The second unit is principle of soil erosion and its control measures. So in this unit we are discussing about what is soil erosion, and soil consists of some permeability, different types of soils, and how to reduce the soil erosion. Comes to what is soil erosion. Soil erosion. The term soil erosion refers to the undesirable depletion of the physical components of the soil, especially surface litter and topsoil, from one place to another place. What is soil erosion? Undesirable depletion of the physical component of the soil, that is top surface of the soil. It is changed from one place to another place. Thus soil erosion results in loss of topsoil, organic matter, nutrients, leads to the loss of fertility. This figure shows the soil erosion. Due to soil erosion, undesirable depletion of physical component of the soil, so especially top layer of the soil will be eroded. And what are the major categories of soil erosion? What are the main categories of soil erosion? That is classified into two types. One is natural erosion, another one is anthropogenic erosion. And how soil is formed naturally. How soil are formed? The soil is formed by disintegration or weathering of parent rock by physical, chemical and biological agents during the course of evolution. So how soils are formed are due to formed by disintegration or weathering of parent rock by physical, chemical and biological agents during the course of evolution. And what is meant by permeability? Generally, soil consists of a permeability, and different types of soils consist of a different permeability. Generally, soils are either causal soil or causal-less soil. The permeability of soil refers to the rate at which water permits through the soil. Water permits through the soil. Since loose soil has a large number of micro spaces, that means more voids. Loose soil consists of a more voids. The permeability of soil is high, and the inverse is true for compact soil with many micropore spaces. So permeability consists of a soil consists of a different permeability, causal soil and causal-less soil. So loose soil consists of a more voids, so it consists of a more permeability. When water is poured in through the, when water is permits through the, when water is permeates through the soil. Loose soil consists of a more permeability when poured on a water and soil. So it will be transferred through the soil pores. And what is meant by soil degradation? What is meant by soil degradation? The soil degradation means it refers to the undesirable depletion of the physical component of the soil by agricultural practice, deforestation, overgrazing, erosion by wind and water, thus rendering it unhealthy for cultivation. Soil degradation is also referred to as a soil regression. The degradation means physical component of the soil by agricultural practice, deforestation, erosion, wind and water. And what are the soil erosion by water? Different ways for soil erosion. How soil are eroded due to the four ways soil eroded by waterways are sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion and riparian erosion. These are the four types of water erosions. And what is soil? The upper layer of earth. The upper layer of earth which plant grows a black or dark brown material typically consisting of a mixture of organic remains, clay and rock material. Soil is one of the three major natural resources alongside air and water. It is one of the marvelous product of nature and without which there would be no life. What is soil? How the soil are formed, disintegration and chemical decomposition. And soil degradation, already we can discuss it. Soil degradation is the decline in soil quality caused by its improper use, usually for agriculture, industrial or urban purposes. So soil degradation is the inability of soil to support the growth of crops. And loss of nutrients due to soil erosion. The removal of nutrients due to capability of soils are support plant growth. So decrease the soil fertility and decrease the crop yield. And reduction of soil nutrients may be due to acidity or water logging. Loss of nutrients due to decreasing in the soil fertility, decreasing the crop yield. And salinization. So generally salt content in the soil, due to that process increasing the salt content is known as a salinization. Salinization can be caused by process such as mineral weathering or irrigation. Generally soil consists of a salty nature. So process of increasing the salt content in the soil is known as salinization. So salts occur naturally within soils and water. This figure shows the salinization. And acid sulfide soils are naturally occurring soils. Sediments are organic substance that are formed under waterlogged conditions, killing vegetation, seeping into and acidifying groundwater. Release of this sulfuric acid from the soil can in turn release iron, aluminum and other heavy materials, partially arsenic within the soil. These are the some of the points related to soil erosion. So soil consists of a salty, increasing the salt content in the soil content is known as salinization, and decreasing the soil fertility and loss of nutrients, decreasing the crop yield. And also soil degradation is the quantity caused by its improper use, usually for agriculture, industrial or urban process. Thank you. Continuous process will be discussed in next class.